Hello everyone. In this example, we will see how we can use the approx match in VLOOKUP function. In this example, I want to see the grade obtained by each student using the marks from this grade table. So my lookup table is by marks. If I try to search 35 within this grade, I won't be able to find any exact grade because 35 doesn't exist in this marks list. So what we have to do, we have to divide these marks into different groups. And when I apply the VLOOKUP function with the approx match, what it will do, it will search the minimum and the maximum value, and on the basis of that it will give us the grade. So 35 will be part of my second row. So my answer using the VLOOKUP function with the approx match will be C. So this is how we can use the approx match functions. Let's understand the approx match with a practical example. So in the example, we will search the grade using the marks as the lookup value. So first I'll select the cell and type the equal, then type VLOOKUP. My lookup value is this. Then I have to provide my table array. Then I'll select my table. As grade is the second column, so I'll provide 2. And now I have to provide the approximate match or exact match. So if I provide 0 and close the bracket and hit enter, we can see that we didn't find any value. The reason is simple, because 35 doesn't exist within this range. So using this function, I won't be able to find the grade. Now what I have to do, instead of this 0, I will change it to 1 and press enter. We can see that the grade obtained by the student using the marks is C. So we will use the approximate match where we want to find the value within the specific range. If I change the marks to 88, the grade will be A, because now 88 is part of this row, and so on. We will be able to find the grade using the approximate match. Thanks for watching this video.